it's filthy. So I've literally been driving the car the way I got it, and it's gross. Like, there's just, here, I'll show you the back. Look at the seatbelt. I don't even know what that is. I don't even want to touch it. The seats have like stains all in them down in the bottom. White crusty stuff everywhere. I don't even know. Let's look in the trunk. Show you more of it. Hey, it just finished raining. Good old Florida. Anyways, let's get one last look at what I'm dealing with. Back seat's just horrible, man. All right. I think I showed you guys the crust, right? This weird, like, white stuff, but let's get cleaning. What's this? I guess these seats are gonna have to come out. It's worse. That's just, what? It's like corroded pennies. I guess a whole popsicle melted. Just what the heck? Oh, that's embedded. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I know what I was doing with soap and water wasn't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna soak this down. Gross. Right, this is how I got the car, guys. So good. That's why the magic eraser is the truth. Jeez. Yeah, you can see that it's just coming up. So I started juicing. Oh my gosh. This needs to be soaked. I need to remove it, to be honest. Because look at it. I'm gonna waste the whole... Oh my... What in the world, man? I've never seen anything like this come out of a material. Yeah, this is gonna really require some work. We gotta get all this. I wish I had a steamer, but maybe we'll do that some other day. Check that out. Clean, dirty. So give you an idea of what I was working with. So the whole interior was pretty much like this. You just couldn't really tell because it all had it. But yeah, that's the difference. I can't believe I was driving the car like that. But yeah. Okay, the finished product. So we have, you know, a few areas that are not perfect, but you can see how, like, you know, the seats just have this better color to them. You guys remember the carpet? Unfortunately, there are just some stains that I'll not be able to get out, but they're hidden for the most part. But like the actual dirt, grime, and crud, all of that, you know, it was in the door jambs. You know, this was all, you could see like the dirt all in the, you know, in between the leather, I don't know what you would call that, but that's pretty bad. Back seats, the worst area of them all. They look a hell of a lot better. No crud in the crevices, right? I got most of the stains out except for that. I don't know what's going on there. I tried bleach, I tried all sorts of stuff, and it just won't come out. Everything else did, but I don't know. As for those stains, not coming out. The carpet, definitely a lot cleaner, but as you can see, I just have this discoloration that's just not, it's not gonna come out. I'm not gonna fight with it though. It smells good. That's the important factor. Car doesn't smell old and dusty. Now the front did a lot better, especially the front seats. Love it. You know, the dash, everything all had crud on it. I went in between the buttons, all in the AC vents. Oh yeah, these are really gross. Got those super clean. So yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, that carpet too, but see, more stains that just not gonna come out. Door jambs look good. So there it is. Oh, as for the floor mats, yeah, the floor mats, they're trash. I'm not putting them back in the car, so I'm gonna order some floor mats for it. And yeah, there it is. The Benz, clean. Peace.